Jazz Cola. This was a regional powerhouse created specifically to cater to the Visayas and Mindanao markets by the Coca-Cola Company. It was launched as a budget-friendly option, localized with a flavor profile that was specifically adjusted to suit the palate of consumers in those southern regions. For several years, it was a common sight at local gatherings and small eateries, representing a rare instance of a global company creating a hyper-local product. However, as distribution strategies shifted and the parent company consolidated its brands, Jazz Cola was eventually discontinued to make room for its global counterparts. Mellow Yellow. This highly caffeinated citrus soda was brought to the Philippines to offer a more energetic alternative to standard lemon-lime drinks. It featured a smooth, slightly heavier mouthfeel and a bright yellow hue that set it apart from the clear sodas of the era. The drink found a specific niche among students and workers who needed a quick sugar and caffeine boost during long days. While it enjoyed a period of popularity in the mid-90s, it eventually faced stiff competition from the rise of specialized energy drinks and was eventually withdrawn from the local market. Royal True Orange. Royal True Orange was once closely associated with its returnable glass bottle format, which preserved its sharp citrus flavor and strong fizz. The drink itself remains, but the older bottle system defined how people experienced it in the 90s. When distribution moved toward plastic bottles and cans, that earlier style of consumption quietly disappeared. Choco Vim. Long before modern chocolate milk brands became the standard for bottled dairy treats in the country, there was this iconic glass-bottled beverage. Produced by Magnolia during the late 20th century, it was known for its thick, creamy consistency and the ritual of shaking the bottle to mix the chocolate sediment at the bottom. The drink was a staple of school recess and was often paired with a simple sandwich or a local pastry. Eventually, the product was rebranded and the glass bottles were replaced by modern Tetra Paks, effectively ending the era of the original bottled experience that many adults still remember fondly. Lift. Introduced by the Coca-Cola Company in the 1990s, this was a lemon-flavored carbonated soft drink that aimed to compete with established citrus sodas. It was marketed as a crisp, refreshing alternative that was slightly less sweet than its rivals, emphasizing a more natural lemon essence. Despite a strong marketing push and wide visibility in Sari-Sari stores, it struggled to maintain a permanent foothold in a market heavily dominated by Sprite and 7-Up. By the early 2000s, it quietly disappeared from Philippine shelves, though it continues to be sold in several other countries like Australia.